the pillar. Like this, you can see the pillar. So for the defense part of that, the pillar is very important. For example, every pillar have a terrace. Means it is like observe all of you. Yeah, both दिन से wait कर रहे हैं साथ में चलेंगे. So all of I welcome to all of you on behalf of the Devgiri Fort. So before we are going to see the fort, we can focus on the four things are very important of this fort. Fort architecture, history, sightseeing, and the main part of this fort, that is defense mechanism, defense strategy. So the Yadava, they are not from like MP, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. They are originally from Karnataka. Their mother tongue is Kannada, second language is Sanskrit, third language is Marathi, and they follow the two religions, Hindu and Jain. And why they chosen this place? Because their kingdom in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa. If you see the height of the hill, it is 180 meter, and around the mountain, three sides you will find the mountains also there. So it is very good place for the safe to make a fort. So they have to arrange the architect. His name is Harpal Devrai, and he was very intellectual about the fort architecture and also the defense mechanism. So now, first they start from the mountain. They totally carved out of the mountain moat. It's of 70 feet depth, 50 to 65 it's a width. And even also the water is not connected any river or any dam. Naturally the rainy water will side. The steps are uneven size and very broad and steep like that. It is not easy to climb. And it is also difficult for us. So when the enemies will come here, again they find the two ways, left and the right. And the right side the temple, some of them divided from the right side and some of them from the left side. If they are going to the left side, again they find the right one. So they have a sword, they easily chop the neck.
Oh, yes. ആദ്യം
One more. Aye, madam. See, if the enemies are using the stone bridge, so it's a narrow. Only one person can come at a time, and the neck will come first. So they have a sword.
they have a sword, just cut it.
And give the side to the others. Yeah. So now before we are entering the second part, it is very hard. See the one step up, second step down. Then you can see the window. We change the position. If the enemies can step on that, they can hide. They have a sword. They cut the leg. Okay. And before that, in the first part, the Gokru position on the floor, they kept here on the wall. And on the spike they put the poison. Means when they can walk in the round, so they naturally they touching the body with the wall, and the stone is simply poison by going inside the wall. See the hearts. Every case you will find the pillars, but this canal has no any pillar. That's why it's possible. Or it is fallen again. So they have a sword, they chop the neck, and through this window they throw into the water. And the dead body will not smell good, because inside the water crocodile is there. And the strategy it is like that. They thought one by one it will be succeed, but they don't any idea. They can open this door in the dark. Support of the wall. And again coming up, then also take a zigzag, then round like this. You have to go up to there. See the second railing. Means a dark tunnel up to there. Okay. So in 1952, same like the ceiling was continued, but it is naturally fall down. And that's why the government of India, they made in this tunnel one door. And this staircase will be connected with this door. If they can use this staircase, if they are going further, then they will find the Rangamahal. Means entertainment of the king palace. Okay. Then if they are going further, then they will find the 7 tanks. They can storage of the food. See the left side also window, right side also the window. Means the enemies will completely come inside. Then after the attack, statue is there, and also the attendant Matanga and Siddhaika. Okay. So when the enemies will come here, again they find the steps. and they have to make the way through this wall. Okay, please. So now, see up to here it is totally slippery path. Then again the defense strategy will be start from here. You can see right over there, that's the tower. That tower have a 6 door. Front and the back door, also the separate staircase. And the 2 side door also there. And the staircase they already made inside the wall. No any railings. Means it is not visible. But that tower, they can easily figure out how many enemies are coming from the 4th entrance door. And in this minar, you can see the 2 architecture. See the front, it's an arch, you can use like a mosque. And behind also the one more, it's like a part, so that they can use for the Hindu architecture, like a drum set, anything, like a Nagar Khana. And if you go further, then left side there is a palace, but that palace not the for the king, that palace for the guest. So that is called Amkhas Mahal. But nice painting on the wall. Many of the tourists they come here. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was shifted capital from Delhi to here, so naturally the population will be increased. So we need a storage of water. And now it is look like a very huge tank. That's why it is called elephant tank, to storage of water. It is not like the elephant can take a bath inside the water. Not to confuse. Yeah? See the front, you will find the hill. Bottom of the hill there is a one lake. Through this lake, the water will be connected with this tank, because that time no electricity, no power was there. So gravitation force, the power, water will came into this tank. And that time they made the pipeline. It is in the red ochre and plaster with limestone. But that pipeline is totally broke. That's why you cannot find any water. But they can use this water for washing, cleaning, and swimming also. Because if you see the staircase also there. Then after that, I will show you open theatre. Like an amphitheater. This the king used to take a meeting with the soldiers, then also the cultural program like that. Okay. This. If they can use this staircase, if they are going further, then they will find the Rangamahal, this entertainment of the king palace. Okay. Then if they are going further, then they will find the 7 tanks. They can storage of the food. Color was imported in Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan. That stone name is lapis lazuli. So that is a victory pillar, or we call observation tower. Yeah, watchtower like that. Yeah, and the height of the minar is 210. Okay. So you like to take a darshan. And see that this hall have a 3 entrance door. It is the main entrance door for the king. The left side door it is for the soldiers, and the right side door for the artists. Because the stage like this, and behind the wall, these are the rooms for the artists, like the green room, changing room, like that. And this hall also you will find the echo. I will show you. So in India we have a 2 highest minarets. The first one is the Qutub Minar. If you see in that minar, you will find the 2 architecture styles, that is Hindu and Islam. If you see the head of that minar, it's a Shivling. Top of the Shivling, you can see the Kalash. Inside the Kalash, lotus flower, and top of the lotus half moon is there.
Yes.
So that minar was built by Abdul Bahamani. He was the king of Bijapur in 1445 AD. Whole minar was constructed in the basalt stone, then plastered with limestone, and then after they given the coat with the red ochre. And inside the steps, it is not the straight; it is totally spiral steps.
ആ ടവറൊന്നും ഇപ്പോൾ ഒന്നും അല്ലാതെ തീർന്നു അല്ലേ?
We saw the sunlight, that's the window. Okay, please come. The palace, King Palace, underground hall also there, and the 2 floors also there. And then the next, it is a Rangamahal, means entertainment of the King's Palace. And that's also the watchtower, but at present it is not active. But from there, you can see the 4th entrance door easily. How many enemies are coming? Then also you can see the entry of the entrance door of the Bharat Mata. So, in India, yeah, come closer please. So in India, the 4 forts are impregnable fort. One is to Devgiri, second one is at Gurud Janjira, another one Golconda Fort in Hyderabad, and one more fort in Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior Fort. So, when the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj discussing with the Meza Raja about the Devgiri, why the Yadavas they used the lake, there's nothing as you can see. So, you just wait, you will go back.
Like Cannon Monday. Cannon Monday.
കുത്തി കുത്തി ഓൾറെഡി ആ പൊസിഷൻ മാറ്റി
ആ സഹായിക്കാം.
ഇതെന്താ ഈ അടി കൂടി എടുക്കണ പണി അത്
ഫോർട്ടിലെ പോലെ അത്ര ഇല്ലല്ലോ എന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നി. പിന്നെയാണ് മനസ്സിലായത്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യുന്ന പോലെ കാണിക്കും.